Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today's going to be a pretty straightforward video. This is our fireplace, and it's a gas-fired fireplace in our sunroom. Normally this is a 4-season room, but when this is out, it's a 3-season room at best, and we need it to open up the holiday presents in a couple of days. So I am going to tell you how to light a pilot light in a gas-fired wood stove. This is an Avalon stove, and the first thing you need to know is it might not necessarily be a bad sign that your pilot light went out. On these straight chimney pipes, a good gust of wind can go down at the right vector, right angle, right speed, and blow out your pilot light, and it's that simple. So today we're just going to open this up, and I'm going to show you the controls, and we'll relight it. Let's get to it. First off, there's going to be some sort of access panel somewhere. This one is in the front, and it has a low to high flame adjust, a gas control that goes from off to pilot to on, and then an electric start button. Since our little spark generator is not enough to light the gas, I'm going to open up the front. Your model might vary differently. You may not even have a front, but I'm going to go to the side and open it up quick. And now I'll try it without the glare. Okay, underneath that rock in the center, right there, you see that little coin looking thing. Watch this. See that blue spark in the back? That's what's supposed to ignite the gas. So instead we're going to use a long lighter, you know, those 6 or 8 inch long lighters, and we'll just hold that there while we're pressing the pilot. Once you have access, the only tool you really need is either a long match or a long lighter like this, where you can reach back in a narrow spot. Zooming in down here, the main control we're going to mess with is the one in the center. Just as it sits, it is off. If I turn this counterclockwise to the pilot position and then press in, I'll try to be quiet so you can hear the gas hissing. Listen up. Here goes. That gas hissing means there's gas being supplied to the back. So what I'm going to do is, while I press this button in, like this, listen for the gas, I'm going to light the lighter in the back. So while that's going in, I'm going to light the back. Here's another angle. With my left hand, I'm pressing the pilot button, and with my right hand, I lit that. Now what I'm doing with my right hand is I'm continuing to hold pressure on the pilot light for about 15 seconds or so, and that's to make sure the thermocouple, which is on the right side of that flame, gets hot enough where it maintains the circuit by itself. If it doesn't stay hot enough, the safety mechanism turns off the gas supply. That's a good thing. So after about 15 seconds, I'm going to turn this thing to the right again, and if that's hot enough, it'll stay on. So here we go. Turn it to on, and it stayed on. Now all we have to do is button it up, and that's how you light a pilot light on a wood stove. This is not a cosmic thing. Again, the steps are to open it up. First, try the electric igniter if it's so equipped, but if not, go to the pilot light position, press it forward to introduce the gas, and while holding it down, light the pilot light with one of these, and then hold it for 15 to 20 seconds until your thermocouple is warm enough to complete the circuit so the gas supply stays continuous. Hope this helps. Stay warm.